Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. As always, when we're outside, Wyatt is on bug patrol, taking it so seriously. It's the end of the day. I always try to do these when I'm outside in the morning because that, for lighting and everything, it always seems to be better. Plus, I always worry about noises. But this time I'm coming to you in the afternoon, so we'll see how this goes. Like actually evening. This is evening, so it's 6 o'clock time frame after work. But I was excited because I have a Wantable unboxing for you today, and I can't wait to share it with you. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. I already introduced you to Wyatt and Zena. So glad you're here. Please stick around, hit that subscribe button, hang out with us. We do subscription unboxings, shopping hauls, what I wore videos, and so much more. Okay, I believe that this box is my active edit. So Wantable does have different edits for women. They have an active edit and a style edit. On top of that, they offer all kinds of themed edits, which I love, and they shake them up every single month. So many fun themed edits. If you're not sure what you want to ask for, they'll have themed edits in the active category as well as in the style category. So I think of active edits more like workout wear and lounge wear, and the style edits as more around your daily wear. So work, fun, weekend, vacation. Okay, here's what I see when I open my box. Love, love, love that. First of all, can you see the sticker on there? What's Sienna doing? It is, yes, personalized. And instructions right on the flaps that tell you what you need to do when you get it if you're not sure. All right, here is my bundle. Looks colorful. One of the things I absolutely love about Wantable is that you get 7 items. You only have to keep 5 to get a discount, so you don't have to buy all. That discount's 20% off, and they have a stream on their site that you can go and visit and decline or request items to help your stylist get to know you a little bit better and get that chance to get the exact pieces that you want. And they do track them, so if they don't have them available right away, they will try to include them in a later edit for you. So this is my active edit. It tells me right up here in the corner. This is your pricing sheet, notes from your stylist, and your envelope that you get to return everything is set to go U.S. Postal Service, but they offer an alternate returning label for UPS if you prefer. All right, free shipping both ways. All right, so first up, this is one of my very, very favorite sports bras, is the Beyond Yoga. I absolutely love the Beyond Yoga sports bras. These feel amazing on. I love wearing them. I've worn them to sleep. I wear them underneath clothing, and I wear them for pretty much any activity. I happen to have this exact color, but I absolutely love it. So we'll have to see. I don't know if I need 2 in this color, but you can't really have enough of the Beyond Yoga sports bras, let me tell you. All right, next up. What is this? This is from Société, and it looks like it's like a moisture wicking tank. It's called the high-low mesh back tank. So that's cute. A little bit longer in the back. Here's what here's what it looks like with that meshing in the back. The color's pretty. It's like a dark teal color. Okay, next I have something bright. What is this? This is another tank. This one's by Gottex. Check that color out. That's pretty. Love that lime green. And here's the back. Has that little cutout. Ties at the bottom. And it says, tie me up or let me loose. So it looks like you can let it hang. I like that. Tie me up or let me loose. You could let it hang or keep it tied. All right. What do you think, Zay? What else do we have? Oh, this is a Horizon tank top. Says Weekend Warrior. This is very silky soft in black with the white. That's cute. It has like the unfinished sleeve here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm seeing a little bit of sun glare. Sorry about that. The sun is now behind me. try to make sure you guys get a better view of the clothes when I try them on. That is so cute. And I think it goes with these leggings by Gottex. Check out that pretty color. These are look like a crop version, I think. Have the fun pockets on the side. Love the pinks. Okay, looks like I have another pair of leggings. These are by, let's see, Strut-This. Oh my God, does that opening not look teensy tiny? Okay, I'm sorry. I don't even know how I'll be able to get these on to show you. Look at that. That looks tiny. We'll see. Yikes. Okay. Those are cute. These are full-length ones. The pattern is black and gray. Okay. This looks like a houndstooth. It is. Yeah, mini houndstooth is what it's called. Okay. And one more item. This is a jogger by Interval in the light gray. These are very soft. All right, and that is all 7 pieces. Okay, so my stylist is Alexandra, so she's new. I've included fun, bright colors that are perfect for running errands, being active, or lounging at home. I love the fun Gottex Studio legging, which will be adorable with the Beyond Yoga sports bra. Another standout piece is the Interval joggers, which are so comfy for a chilly evening outside. Please be sure to let me know what you think, Alexandra. All right, let's get right to this try on and see how she did. Okay guys, so I have the first outfit on for you, but first I need to tell you about these. Okay, so I tried these on. Well, I tried to try these on for you. I was going to do them first because I was curious if they fit. You do see how wide this opening is, right? And you see this is like my waist. Do you see? Not getting them on. Yeah, they just were not going to fit over my bum at all, not even close. And I didn't want to even like force it because I was afraid I would rip them. So these I'm not going to be able to try on for you, but very cute leggings. Have a nice, really nice stretch to them. I think I almost could have forced it, but I don't want to rip all the seaming detail around the waist and ruin them for somebody else who might be able to enjoy them. Okay, let's talk about the outfit I can get on. What do you think about this one? So I love all 3 pieces of this. I love that these are a cropped fit and they have the cute little pockets here on the sides, so both sides. The tank is very, very soft. It has the wider opening here, so it works out perfectly for your sports bras to show a little bit of, which this one matches this outfit perfectly. So that's why I tried this Beyond Yoga sports bra on with this particular outfit. Overall, love the leggings. I think the print is really, really pretty. Love the tank top. Love the saying. Love how soft it is. It comes up a little bit here on the sides. Hangs a little bit longer. You could always, like if you wanted to, like do a little bit of a front tuck and dress it up and put like a little jean jacket or sweatshirt or something on if you wanted to. But I think it looks good just hanging out too. I'll get a little bit closer. Hopefully this angle you guys are catching a little better picture without the glare. All right, and then I want to show you the Beyond Yoga bra, sports bra, because if you haven't tried these, I highly recommend them. Very, very soft, have a great fit, good coverage, hold you in. There's the back, and highly, highly recommend. I really need, I think, a black one in this. I own a white one, and I own this color, but I'm very tempted to keep this one too, because they are just the sports bra that you always want to put on. I also like that they have this nice V, because they're great for underneath those tee-back tops, dresses that you want to wear, but you want to have that extra coverage and your regular bra just doesn't cut it. All right, let's do something else. Okay, next outfit. Now we're talking lime green, right? And I put on these fun little super soft joggers. All right, what do you think? Here's a little closer look. I'm seeing it's like poking out a little bit right here, which I'm not loving. But I do love the lime green. I love that by it being tied in the back, it's creating this tighter waist. So I love that. I did leave the sports bra on. Here's what the back looks like. Love the joggers. They're just a basic gray, so they would go with a lot. Pockets in the front, no pockets in the back. Overall, great loungewear. You could throw a t-shirt and a jean jacket on. You could run out of the house. I think this is a great piece that could be super versatile. Not sure about the tank though. I think more because of this right here on me. I'm going to try to untie it and show you what that looks like. Because they said leave it, that's not changing this any, but they said leave it open or tie it. So here's what it looks like more relaxed. Here's the back. So I do like that it has a couple different looks. What do you think? And I forgot to go over pricing. Look, since I've switched sides, I'm off my game here. The Houndstooth leggings that I couldn't try on, $88. They're by Strut-This. The Vanessa ankle legging in ultraviolet, so this pair right here, these are $75 by Gottex. I really do like these. The camo back, tie tank in neon lime camo, $50. So I guess this is all camo in here, $50. The graphic muscle tank with the weekend warrior, that was only $38. I like that. The Spacedye lift your spirits bra in desert berry, so that's the sports bra, is $60. And the rib detailed jogger in charcoal heather gray is $52. And we only have one more item for me to give you the price for me to try on. So I probably could have just waited till the end, I guess. What do you guys think of this one? I do love that you can wear it either way. It makes for a nice look, doesn't it? Or does that opening just make my butt look bigger? Emphasize that, huh? All right. We'll do that final item. Next outfit is this moisture wicking tank top that is long enough that it would go great with a pair of leggings. Has this full mesh in the back. Fits great over top of a sports bra, just like this one, so a T-back. Actually works great with this color. Sports bra works great with this outfit, I think. I actually really like this color. I like the length. It's super soft and silky. Feels really great on. What do you think of this one? Here's a closer look. Has a nice V-neck without being too low. It's not cut too deep on the sides, although you can see a little bit of the sports bra all the way around. So if you wanted to have that contrast, this would be great. I like it. And that's all my items. This one was called the High-Low Meshback Tank in Storm, and it was $39 by Thrive Society, so not bad. All right, let's do a quick wrap-up and see where we are. Okay, so we are back in the sunshine to talk about what the keepers might be. What did you think? Overall, I thought it was a pretty good box. The stylist has never styled me before, so I think Alexandra did a great job. This is an active edit / loungewear, so not bad at all. For everything, $402, 20% off if you keep 5 or more, so off of everything it'd be $80.40, bringing my total down to $321.60, and of course your $20 styling fee does come off of anything that you keep. All right, so first of all, let me tell you, I loved these. I thought they were adorable. Great for now, great for fall. Really cute with the outfit I had it with. So loved it with the bralette. Do I need a second one? Probably not in the exact same color, but I really did like it. So I know that I would have this to go with this outfit. I really did like this tank. The material was really soft and silky. And I liked how long it was. So this is definitely a nice loungewear outfit, and then you could just add a jacket and run out, right? Or not if you didn't need to. So I loved all 3 of those. I also thought this tank was really nice. Great little moisture wicking tank, and I loved how long it was. Be another one that you could tuck in with the, which I probably should have done and showed you that, but I could tuck it in with like the joggers or just leave it out with leggings, like that mesh detail in the back. So this would be nice for those hot days, and also be great for workouts. I did like the joggers, so we'll see how much these, how much were these? I don't think they were a bad price, right? $52. So not cheapy, but not bad. So I did like the joggers, but I love joggers. I wear them for all the things. So I wear them for casual, I try to dress them up, and I also wear them to bed. So I will wear them for all the things if I keep them. So I did like these as well. Now, this I did not like, obviously, because I couldn't even try them on. So not my size. I could try sizing up, but I'll be honest, I didn't really love the Houndstooth pattern. Wyatt is on bug patrol. Okay. Didn't really love the Houndstooth pattern, so I'm not thinking I want to exchange them. And this one just didn't fit me right. I love the detail of the cutout in the back and that little tie. I thought it was adorable, but I didn't like how it fit me across the chest and like how much it like really stuck out right here. Okay, so that means that if I wanted the discount, I would have to keep all 5 of the other items, including the duplicative sports bra. Or I keep maybe the black tank and the leggings, which I liked these probably the absolute best. And these were runners up. Overall though, I thought this was a really great box. And the tank was $38 and the leggings were $75. The other tank was $39, the joggers $52, and the sports bra $60. So I'd have to see, do a little quick calculations and see what would be my best for my budget and my makes the most sense from a monetary perspective. All right, I'll list all of these items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and the sidekicks. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. If you did, please hit that like button before you go. Would love you to hit that subscribe and hang out with us. We could use the support. I will put all the information for Wantable down below. If you use my link, you will get $10 off of your first box. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.